Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 13 March 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today. And I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully. And it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, when is the 54th Raising Day of CISF celebrated? So correct answer is the 10th March. CISF is Central Industrial Security Force and is established in 1969 and headquartered in New Delhi, and Director General is Sheel Vardhan Singh. Second question is, who has been elected the new President of Nepal? So correct answer is C. Ramchandra Pondela. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu and the currency is Nepalese rupee. And the Prime Minister of Nepal is Pushpa Kamal Dahal. Sheikh Ahmad Nawaf Al Ahmad Al Sabah has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Kuwait. Van Thuong becomes the President of Vietnam. Bola Tinubu has become the new President of Nigeria. Nikos Christodoulis has become the new President of Cyprus. Manuela Roca-Botte has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of Equatorial Guinea. Dorin Recian has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Moldova. Third question is, which is the world's most oppressive country for women according to the United Nations report? So correct answer is B. Afghanistan. Fourth question is, which state health minister has launched a new health program, Arogya Mahila? So correct answer is D. Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad and the chief minister is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. And the governor of Telangana is Tamilisai Sundararajan. In this program, every Tuesday, women will be examined at 100 health centers for free and all medicines will be given free of cost. Samta Kumbh has started in Telangana. Anjani Kumar has taken charge as the Director General of Police of Telangana. Leaves of neem trees in Telangana have been found to be affected by dieback disease. The government of Telangana has relaunched the Kanti Velugu scheme. Hyderabad has won the World Green City Award 2022. Telangana government has started Asra pension. Telangana government will increase SC reservation from 6% to 10%. Fifth question is, Reliance Life Sciences has got the gene therapy technology license from which IIT? So correct answer is B. IIT Kanpur. Union Minister Anurag Thakur has launched the Youth Festival at IIT Ropar. IIT Madras has partnered with Denmark on next generation fuels. IIT Madras will develop space flight training module for ISRO. IIT Madras has won the National Intellectual Property Award. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has inaugurated iInventive at IIT Delhi. IIT Madras has launched the Nilekani Center to promote Indian language technology. Sixth question is, which country has proposed to form the International Big Cat Alliance? So correct answer is A. India. India has installed the world's first bamboo barrier. According to IMF, India has the potential to contribute 15% of global growth in 2023. India has become the world's #1 country in milk production. Seventh question is, who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Axis Mutual Fund? So correct answer is C. B. Gopkumar. Pramerica Life Insurance has appointed Pankaj Gupta as MD and CEO. SS Dubey has taken charge as the new Controller General of Accounts. Rashmi Shukla has been appointed as Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal. Craig Fulton has been appointed as the coach of the Indian men's hockey team. Rajesh Malhotra has been appointed as the Principal Director General of PIB. Eighth question is, which has become the first state in India to cultivate organic licorice? Mulethi. So correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla and the chief minister is Sukhwinder Singh Sukkhu. And the governor of Himachal Pradesh is Shiv Pratap Shukla. Himachal Pradesh has celebrated its 53rd Foundation Day on 25th of January. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh has launched सुख आश्रय सहायता कोष. Tashigang, the world's highest polling station, has been built in Himachal Pradesh. Country's first voter Shyam Sharan Negi cast his vote in Himachal Pradesh. Ninth question is, who has inaugurated the Khelo India 10 Kadam tournament? So correct answer is C. Anurag Thakur. 10th question is, who has become the first women officer to command an EME unit? So correct answer is B. Geeta Rana. Jishnu Barua has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. NASA has appointed Nicola Fox as the agency's first female science chief. FICCI has appointed Shailesh Pathak as its Secretary General. R.S. Rin has taken over as Director General Quality Assurance. 11th question is, which country's former Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin has been arrested on corruption charges? So correct answer is D. Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur and the currency is Malaysian ringgit. And the Prime Minister of Malaysia is Anwar Ibrahim. 12th question is, according to the recent report, what is the percentage increase in the number of pregnant women suffering from malnutrition? So correct answer is B. 25%. 13th question is, which state has created the Guinness World Record for the largest handwritten notes? So correct answer is A. Assam. The Chief Minister of Assam is Himanta Biswa Sarma and the capital is Dispur. And the Governor of Assam is Gulabchand Kataria. The first Bodoland International Knowledge Festival has taken place in Assam. Gulabchand Kataria has been sworn in as the new Governor of Assam. Gyanendra Pratap Singh has been appointed as the new DGP of Assam. The government of Assam has acquired the Matia Bagh Hawa Mahal. The Assam cabinet has passed a bill to create a commission for Safai Karmacharis. The first Unani Medicine Regional Center of Northeast was inaugurated in Silchar. The Chief Minister of Assam launched the Millets Mission. 14th question is, India and which country have announced an agreement on semiconductors? So correct answer is D. America. The capital of America is Washington DC and the president is Joe Biden. And the currency of America is dollar. ISRO has received the NISAR satellite jointly developed by India and the US. Indo-American woman Tejal Mehta has been nominated as the first judge of a US district court. Arun Subramaniam has been appointed as the Indian-American judge in the New York court. 15th question is, which state has requested the center to allow poppy cultivation? So correct answer is D. West Bengal. Former DGP Virendra has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of West Bengal. Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated the National Institute of Water and Sanitation in Kolkata. The West Bengal government has allowed minor mineral mining on private land. Dr. C.V. Anand Bose has been appointed as the Governor of West Bengal. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें. थैंक यू.